Good morning, everybody. Today we start histogram of poset. Previous class we discuss relation and poset. Now, first we discuss immediate predecessor and immediate successor. Let S less equal to be a poset, and suppose A and B belongs to S. We say A is a immediate predecessor of B, or B is a immediate successor of A if A less than B, and this is no element C in S, such that A less equal to S, A less equal to C less equal to B. That is, if A precedes B and S contains no element which lies between A and B. Now consider a problem. Let S equal to second bracket set 1 2 3 4 6 8 9 12 18 24 be a set, and slash be a relation defined in S such that A slash B means B is divisible by A. Draw the Hess diagram. Now we see that 1 is the least number. Now the successor of 1, that is immediate successor of 1, is 2 and 3. So first we draw 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Now immediate successor of 2 and 3 is 6, and immediate successor of 2 is 4, and immediate successor of 3 is 9. Now draw 2 to 4 and 3 to 9. Now again we see immediate successor of 6 and 9 is 18. So we draw 6 from 6 and 9 is 18, and immediate successor of 4 and 6 is 12. Now we draw 12 from 4 and 6. Now immediate successor of 4 is 8. Now we draw 4 to 8. Now again we see immediate successor of 8 and 12 is 24. Now draw 24 from 8 and 12. Okay. Next problem. If S equal to ABC be a set, then draw the Hess diagram of the poset PS less equal to, where PS is the power set of S. Also find the complement of all elements. Here PS is the power set. Power set is phi A, B, C, AB, AC, BC and ABC. Here lowest element is phi. Now first we draw phi to A, phi to C, phi to B. Then we draw A and C is AC, and draw BC from B and C, and draw AB from A and B. Then draw ABC from AC, AB and BC. ABC is the immediate successor of AC, AB and BC. Now calculate the element and complement. Element of power set is phi A, B, C, AB, AC, BC, ABC. Now complement of phi is ABC, complement of A is BC, complement of B is AC, complement of C is AB, complement of AB is C, complement of AC is B, complement of BC is A, and complement of ABC is phi. This is null set. Again a problem. Draw the Hess diagram of a poset S30, R, where S30 is the set of all positive divisor of 30 and R is the relation division. Here S30 is a set, is 1 2 is element is 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. Okay. Now relation is division. R is the relation, is division. Okay, here 1 is the lowest element, its immediate successor is 2, 3 and 5. So we draw 2, 3, 5 from 1. Now 6, 10, 15 is the immediate successor of 2, 3, 5. Therefore, we draw 6, 10 and 15. And 30 is the immediate successor of 6, 10 and 15. Now we draw 30 from 6, 10 and 15. Finally, we draw the Hess diagram. Okay. Now give some assignment. Number 1, draw the Hess diagram for the poset A slash, where slash stands for the divisibility, and A equal to 2, 3, 6, 12, 24 and 36 be a set. Again, problem number 2, draw the Hess diagram of the poset A slash, where A is the set 81, 27, 9, 3 and 1. Okay, thank you.